Uh, Back again here with another virtual lesson today. Now what I want you to do is, if we look here at the unit spec, which I have up on my screen here, okay, we're specifically looking at this section here, which I've highlighted on the screen, the benefits of volunteering to learners. Learn new life skills, develop existing skills, diversity awareness. Basically what I'm looking at is what can you get out of volunteering. Now, what I want you to do is pick an organisation that you could volunteer for realistically here in Northern Ireland. So here's a little hint. You might be best looking at these ones here, or these ones in the ULO2. So it could be, for example, the Red Cross, St John Ambulance, Mountain Rescue, Army Cadets as an instructor, which you get paid for. And if you have asthma and you can't get into one of the armed services, you can be a cadet instructor on a part-time basis. Police specials, retained firefighters, helping cadets, many opportunities, animal sanctuaries, mountain rescue, etc. More mountain rescue maybe. What I need you to do is pick one. Zone in on one that would interest you. Now, I don't know what would interest you. Maybe you really would like to join the Mourne Mountain Rescue team or the Lagan Search and Rescue. Maybe you would rather become a retained firefighter. Pick one. Then I need you to click on the link which is below me here on the Moodle site, and it will take you to this, which I've set up, a discussion forum. Volunteering public services, PubS. Go into the general discussion, and then I need you to create a thread. You're going to call that thread, well, first of all you give yourself a name, so it could be whatever your name is, and make sure, by the way, there's no messing around, there's no joking, no funny pictures or rude words, because I do have this linked with the Moodle site, so I know who is online exactly when, and I will catch you out. You're grown up enough now to know how to behave responsibly, so I do expect that from public service students. Subject. Let's say I'm to do the St John Ambulance, so I'll type it in here. Now, I want you to write in here what you, as a volunteer, would be what you would be gaining from St John Ambulance. Now, I want you to be as specific as possible. So it could be you are gaining new skills. What specific skills? Are they ICT skills? Probably not. Are they first aid skills? Yes, you're gaining maybe qualifications in first aid. Right the way up to what level? Be as specific as possible. What else are you going to get out of it? Best way to find out is to type in on Google typos there. If you type in on Google and St John Ambulance NI, you can find out all about them there. There is stacks of information on their website. Every voluntary organisation you look for will have what they do, volunteer. So by looking at what they do, you're going to be able to figure out what kind of skills you're going to get from it. So you're going to be getting training, and you're going to be gaining experience of working alongside other people in teams, working alongside public services. Ambulance services, well then you're going to gain skills like driving skills. You may end up with a qualification able to drive on your license an ambulance. All sorts of things there. So what skills are you going to get, or what are you going to gain from volunteering from this organisation? Now if you choose Army Reserve, if we type in Google Army Reserve, you will also get a lot of information there as well as to what they're about. Once you've got all this, maybe a good idea to put it in a Word document to the side, and then paste it in here with your name as to what you can get out of that organisation. So I've chosen St John Ambulance. It could be any. It could be the Red Cross. It could be Mourne Mountain Rescue. It could be the Welcome Organisation, SOS Bus. There are loads of them. I want you to share that information on your own in one thread. And when I look back at this after a couple of days, I want to see a whole stack of them here. One for each and every one of you with a different organization that suits you. Okay? Straightforward enough task. If you have any issues with it, fire me an email. There's no